So this is my next tutorial and it's actually quite a fun one. I was so excited to do this video. Just a little heads up, I did finally get my roots touched up again. Yes, like I'm properly blonde again. I hate when I haven't got my roots and I didn't get them done for so long, so I'm so happy I got them done now. Anyway, back to the makeup look. This is just like a pastel-y, pinky purpley, like sort of pastel dreamy sort of style, with really dramatic lashes. Got a bit of silver liner in the waterline because I thought that would be nice and interesting. Yeah, just soft but colourful, which is usually what I like anyway. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so you're probably really bored of me starting my videos with this, but Too Faced Shadow Insurance to prime the eye from lid to brow and along the lower lash line. You guys know the drill by now, I'm sure. The first shadow I'm going to use is Inglot Eyeshadow in Matte 362. And I'm taking that on a MAC 217 brush and I'm just applying that into the crease as a transition shade. But my transition shade for this look is going to be a little bit funny, so wait till the next step. My next transition shade is going to be Inglot Eyeshadow in DS 478, which is a baby blue, like a sky blue with a little bit of sparkle to it. I'm taking that also on a 217 by MAC and applying that into my crease as well. I'm not bringing it up as high as the pink because I still want the pink to peek through as my transition shade, but the blue is going to help another colour blend out into the pink, if that makes sense. I'm just going back in with what's left on the pink brush and just using that to add a little bit more pink and blend out that baby blue. Next I'm taking Inglot Eyeshadow in Matte 388, which is a matte royal blue. And I'm taking that on a small little blending brush and applying that to the outer corner of my eye. A little bit onto the lid as well. And right into the crease. And next I'm just taking the baby pink again and applying that on my lower lash line. Only on the outer third, I would say. I'm taking the baby blue again and I'm just going over that pink, but I still want to be able to see the pink coming through. And you probably guessed it, I'm taking the dark royal blue and applying that as close as I can get to my lower lashes on the outer third of my lower lash line. I'm going back in with that 362 matte shade from Inglot, the bright pink, and I'm taking that on a flat brush and applying that to the inner half of my lid. And I'm also taking that same shade on the inner corner of my lower lash line. I thought the pink was a little bit too bright, so I'm taking Inglot Eyeshadow in Matte 373 and I'm just applying a little bit of that over top of the pink just to kind of pastel it down a little bit, if that makes sense. And next I'm taking Inglot Eyeshadow in DS 493 and this is just a pastel lavender shade and I'm applying that to the outer half of the lid and blending it into the pink and also into the royal blue. Just patting over where they meet. To tidy up under my eyes and conceal my dark circles, I'm taking MAC Select Cover Up Concealer in NW15 and I'm just patting that on with my finger. And then to highlight my brow bone and soften out all my edges, I'm taking Inglot's Eyeshadow in 373, the matte white that we used earlier, and I'm just applying that to the brow bone and, like I said, just using it to soften any harsh edges. Next I'm taking Inglot's Eyeshadow in Shine 29 and this is like a pink white duochrome and I just thought it looked really cool with the pink on the inner corner and just popping that around my tear duct area just to brighten that area. I'm not doing proper liner for this look for once. I'm just taking Urban Decay's eyeliner in Perversion and I'm just tightlining my upper eye, and now comes all the weird eye shapes. I then thought a silver liner my waterline would look really good, so I'm taking Urban Decay's eyeliner in Cuff, which is a super metallic silver. It's actually such a stunning colour, and I'm popping that on my waterline. To finish off the eyes, I'm taking MAC's Hot and Naughty Mascara and applying that to my top and bottom lashes. You could stop here, but I wanted to add some false lashes since I wasn't doing any liner for this look. And I'm going in with the House of Lashes Smokey Muse lashes. And this is the first time I'm using these guys, or any House of Lashes. And I'm absolutely in love with them. I haven't even used them all yet, but I cannot wait to use more. And look at that big glob of glue on my eyelid. That is awesome. But don't worry, I fixed it. Onto the rest of the face now. I'm going in with MAC's Casual Colour in Lazy Sunday. You can see me chatting to my mom. She's like walking by there. And I'm just tapping that on my cheeks just to give me a really nice pastel pink blush, but also super glossy cheeks as well. For my highlight, I'm taking Kiko Cream Radiance Highlighter in number 2. This is like a creamy, moussey, like cushiony sort of feeling. And I'm just also tapping that along my cheekbone just to give me that super high shine and like ethereal sort of glow to my skin. Because my lips are quite pigmented, I decided to go over my lips with whatever foundation is left on my foundation brush just to dull down the colour of my natural lips. And then I'm taking MAC's Lip Pencil in Rosy Rim and I'm lining my lips and lightly filling those in. I did the foundation trick over my lips just so that these colours stand out a little bit better. They come out a little bit truer to colour, if that makes sense. And here I am just lightly filling them in. For my lipstick, I'm going in with MAC's lipstick in Gossamer Wing, and I absolutely love this colour. It's a luster, so you can still see the colour of the lip liner through it. It just gives a really nice nude shine to your lips, but still lets the colour underneath come through. And that's your finished looks, guys. Alrighty guys, that is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you want to see any of the other products that I used on my face that I didn't show in the video, it will be all linked down below in the description box. Also will be linked is my Instagram and my Facebook page, just if you want to give me a little follow, that would be awesome. And yeah, give me a big thumbs up, hit subscribe as well to see more videos that are coming up, because I've got a lot of videos planned. And leave me a comment down below, let me know what you thought of the look, and also what you want to see coming up as well. Just give me some ideas, that'd be nice as well. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!